Good morning, dear children. Properties of chlorine is continued. In exam, it will be asked, children. You see the conditions of the reaction. Here it is cold and dilute alkali, that is NaOH. तो इसके साथ reaction अलग होगा, and when it is hot and concentrated, then the reaction will be different. So we have to understand the difference and we have to learn. With cold and dilute alkali, it will give NaCl and sodium hypochlorite. This is sodium hypochlorite, Te, okay? And when it is hot and concentrated NaOH, then it will give sodium chloride plus sodium chlorate. Sodium chlorate. It can be, the reactions can be asked in 3-mark question, or if it is asked with hot and concentrated NaOH, how chlorine reacts, then MCQ में sodium chlorate will be option. So both the way we have to prepare. When chlorine reacts with slaked lime means CaOH whole 2, okay, it gives bleaching powder. So the reaction of calcium hydroxide plus chlorine will give us CaOCl2. This is one of the important component of bleaching powder, CaCl2 and H2O. So for 2-mark question, you have to be ready for these types. Important thing is the composition of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Important इसलिए लिखा है बेटा कि अपने को MCQ के लिए प्रिपेयर रखना है. 4 choice में 1 choice could be there. Okay, CaOCl2, CaCl2, CaOH twice and 2H2O. How reaction of chlorine takes place with hydrocarbon? एक reaction if you remember हमने पढ़ा हुआ था, that is with hydrocarbon like methane I am taking. So if I write here CH4, that is methane, plus Cl2 in presence of ultraviolet rays H nu, it will give us CH3Cl, chloromethane. This is chloromethane, and one H and one Cl will form HCl. If you remember, children, the reaction will be continued, and then in the next step it will give us CH2Cl2. In the next step it will give us CHCl2, CHCl3, that is chloroform, and lastly it will give CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride. So in this way chlorine reacts with hydrocarbon. If I take example of ethene, that is C2H4 plus Cl2, तो at normal temperature कर दो, room temperature पे it will give us, if you see, CCH4, okay, 1 Cl, that is 1,2-dichloroethane, 1,2-dichloroethane. You understood, children? Simply it will be added with the double bond and addition reaction will take place. Correct? When chlorine stands for a while, its yellow color is due to the formation of, it loses its yellow color. इसका bleaching का reason यही है. Chlorine loses its yellow color after some time if exposed. Correct? And it forms HCl and forms HCl and HOCl. HOCl क्या बेटा? सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड. ठीक है, HCl and HOCl. This HOCl में से ही एक्चुअली नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन निकलता है ना, प्रोड्यूसेस नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन which is responsible for bleaching and oxidizing character, which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching. You may not have seen, sometimes in certain chemicals or like washing powder or I don't remember the brand, there it is mentioned that it contains nascent oxygen. Yeah, it contains oxygen O, which is responsible for bleaching character. Yani that cleans more properly. So this is nascent oxygen, yani single O is produced and which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching purpose. Chlorine oxidizes ferrous to ferric. Chlorine oxidizes ferrous to ferric, sulfite to sulfate, sulfur oxide, that is SO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, to H2SO4, and iodine to iodic acid. All the reactions are equally important, so we will write like this: 2FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, plus H2SO4 plus Cl2 will give us Fe2SO4 thrice. What is the chemical name? Fe2SO4 thrice, यानी फेरिक सल्फेट. ये फेरस सल्फेट है, प्लस 2 minus 2, and this is ferric sulfate Fe2SO4 thrice plus HCl. Correct? So ferrous to ferric. Then Na2SO3. What is written here? Ferrous to ferric, sulfite to sulfate. So Na2SO3 क्या है बेटा? सोडियम सल्फाइट plus Cl2 plus H2O will give us Na2 sulfate हो गया, Na2SO4, सोडियम वैलेंसी 1, सल्फेट वैलेंसी -2. So Na2SO4 plus 2HCl. Next is SO2 sulfur dioxide plus H2O plus Cl2 will give us H2SO4 sulfuric acid plus 2HCl. Fourth one is iodine plus H2O plus Cl2 will give us iodic acid. Iodic acid क्या होता है? HiO3. Iodic acid plus HCl. Balance कर दो, it is 10 HCl and Hi, so it is will be 2H. Understood, children? So all these reactions are very important. We have to learn the reactions and understand ferrous to ferric, sulfite to sulfate, sulfur dioxide to H2SO4, iodine to iodic acid. Chlorine is a very powerful bleaching agent. अभी हमने बताया. So chlorine reacts with H2O and it produces HCl plus nascent oxygen. यही nascent oxygen is responsible for the bleaching purpose. Okay, याद रखना. And this O, colored substance कोई भी ले लो, colored substance plus this nascent oxygen gives colorless substance. Understood, children? ये nascent oxygen है, यही responsible है क्लोरीन के ब्लीचिंग के लिए. So chlorine is dissolved in water, it will produce HCl and O, and this O when comes in contact with colored substance, it will give colorless substance. What are the uses of chlorine? ब्लीचिंग एजेंट है. सो ब्लीचिंग वुड पल्प कहाँ यूज होता है बेटा? मेकिंग पेपर्स. ओके, इट इज़ यूज्ड इन कॉटन एंड टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री फॉर ब्लीचिंग पर्पस. इट इज़ यूज्ड इन द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ gold and platinum. It is used in manufacture of dyes, drugs, organic compounds, etc. It is used as sterilizing drinking water. उस दिन भी बताया था मैंने. Chlorine is used to disinfect as a disinfectant in water. So drinking water को sterilize करने के लिए chlorine is used. It is used in preparation of several poisonous compounds. Phosgene, that is COCl2, tear gas CCl3NO2, mustard gas ClCH2CH2S, CH2CH2Cl. देखो ध्यान से, बीच में सिर्फ S कर देना है. इधर CH2CH2Cl, इधर also CH2CH2Cl. Where tear gas we have heard, children? tear gas जब भी तुमने सुना होगा, कहीं कोई मॉब होती है, भीड़ होती है, वो पुलिस पे लाठी कुछ चार्ज कर रहा तो उनको हटाने के लिए tear gas is used. Okay, so these are the different compounds which are poisonous in nature made by chlorine. Next topic which we will take, that is oxoacids of halogens. Due to high electronegativity, we know that fluorine has highest electronegativity, and very small size, fluorine forms only one oxoacid, that is hypofluorous acid, HOF. Other halogens form different types of oxoacids. You have to remember or learn by heart table number 7.10. Here I am writing table 7.10 of textbook. You have to learn how many oxoacids are formed by different halogens. The structure of oxoacids of chlorine. बेटा ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, सभी स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको ये बिल्कुल लर्न बाय हार्ट कर लेने हैं. हाइपोक्लोरस एसिड, दैट इज HOCl, HOCl. क्लोरस एसिड, HOClO, HOCl, डबल बॉन्ड O. क्लोरिक एसिड, HOClO2, सो HOClO2, दो डबल बॉन्ड आएंगे. अंडरस्टूड. Then last is perchloric acid. It is HOClO3. HOClO3. Three triple bonds are there with chlorine and oxygen. Now in group 18 elements, very few things we have to read because GSEB has cut the portion. So, but when the portion is cut, you have to be more careful. You have to study more properly. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज नाउ NS2NP6, सभी को पता है नोबल गैसेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. ग्रुप 18 ओनली अदर देन हीलियम. ठीक है, NS2 एक्सेप्शन हीलियम कर दो, याद रखना बेटा, एक्सेप्शन दो, वी ऑल नो हीलियम, राइट. देयर आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इज वेरी हाई बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. इसको क्लोज शेल स्ट्रक्चर भी कहते हैं ना बेटा. दे आर इनएक्टिव, दे आर inactive because of their closed shell structure, closed shell configuration, not structure, closed shell configuration. ठीक है. Their ionization enthalpy is very high because very much energy will be needed to remove the electron from the closed shell configuration. The ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Why? Because the size increases. Atomic radii, we know it increases down the group. Period की तो बात ही नहीं होगी, लास्ट पीरियड में, लास्ट में है बेचारा. Then important things are there. Xenon fluoride compounds. Xenon forms बाइनरी कंपाउंड्स अंडर डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंटल कंडीशन. ठीक है, फ्लोरीन के साथ. सो जेनॉन प्लस फ्लोरीन, बट डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंटल कंडीशंस मीन्स अलग अलग कंडीशन है. जब जेनॉन एक्सेस में होगा और फ्लोरीन बहुत लो क्वांटिटी में होगा, देन द रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस एट 673 केल्विन एंड 1 bar प्रेशर एंड इट विल गिव अस जेनॉन डाइफ्लोराइड. ओके, व्हेन जेनॉन एंड फ्लोरीन का रेशियो विल बी 1:5, 1 part xenon and 5 parts fluorine, then the reaction will take place at 873 7 bar and xenon tetrafluoride will be produced. You will see all are solid. When the ratio is 1 part xenon and 20 parts fluorine, then 573, ध्यान रखना बेटा, सभी रेशियो अपने को लर्न रखने हैं for MCQ as well as questions. 573 Kelvin, 60 to 70 bar pressure, it will give xenon hexafluoride. Xenon difluoride, tetrafluoride and hexafluoride, they are crystalline solids and they sublime. Sublime means directly solid से gas बन जाते हैं vapor at 298 Kelvin temperature. They are very powerful fluorinating agents. कौन? ये सारे तीनों तीन fluoride. They are readily hydrolyzed, यानी they react with water very quickly. Like one example is given, xenon difluoride solid will be hydrolyzed with water and it will give xenon and hydrogen fluoride and O2 will be produced. Correct? Important thing is xenon difluoride and tetrafluoride, they have linear and square planar structure. Hexafluoride has distorted octahedral structure. Why? Because it has 7 electron pairs which are in which 6 are bonding pair and 1 is non-bonding pair. So it has distorted octahedral structures. Xenon fluoride reacts with PF5, phosphorus pentafluoride. Why it reacts with this? They are known as फ्लोरीन, ध्यान से समझना, फ्लोराइड आयन एक्सेप्टर्स, ये लोग फ्लोराइड आयन को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे। तो PF5 अगर फ्लोराइड आयन लेता है तो PF6 बन जाएगा। SbF5 यानी एंटीमनी पेंटाफ्लोराइड विल टेक 1 फ्लोरीन, तो इट विल बी एंटीमनी हेक्साफ्लोराइड, लेकिन एक माइनस आयन लिया है, सो माइनस चार्ज विल बी देयर। सो यू कैन सी द रिएक्शन XeF2 plus PF5 will give us XeF xenon fluoride positive ion and PF6 minus. Therefore, it is said that they are fluoride ion acceptors. When xenon trifluoride, tetrafluoride and hexafluoride, they react with fluoride ion acceptors, they form the cation and anion and in this form. और ये xenon hexafluoride will react with MF, where M is definitely sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium, and it will form M plus XeF7, क्योंकि XeF6 पहले से तो 1 फ्लोराइड ले लिया तो XeF7 and minus charge will be there, but necessarily M means these 4 metals only. After xenon fluoride compounds, xenon oxygen compounds are there. So xenon fluoride tetrafluoride plus water hydrolysis किया तो xenon will be produced, xenon trioxide, ठीक है, plus HF, this is not MF, this is HF, hydrogen fluoride plus O2 will be produced. Xenon hexafluoride when it is hydrolyzed, दो तरह के हाइड्रोलिसिस होंगे बेटा, ये कंप्लीट हाइड्रोलिसिस है, कंप्लीट हाइड्रोलिसिस, ठीक है। कंप्लीट हाइड्रोलिसिस में इन द प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी xenon trioxide, देखो यहाँ भी xenon trioxide, here also xenon trioxide will be produced, but partial hydrolysis of xenon hexafluoride will give us oxyfluoride. What is oxyfluoride? xenon oxy tetrafluoride, xenon oxyfluoride, ये जी बीच में O आ गया, that is xenon oxyfluoride. So XeF6, that is xenon hexafluoride, when partial hydrolysis, this is partial hydrolysis, ठीक है। In partial hydrolysis it will give XeOF4, and when again in one more condition it will give XeO2F2, they both are oxyfluorides, ठीक है। Then xenon trioxide क्या है बेटा, एक एक्सप्लोसिव है, it is explosive solid, it is a colorless explosive solid and had a pyramidal molecular structure. XeOF4 यानी xenon oxyfluoride tetrafluoride is colorless volatile liquid and it has square pyramidal molecular structure. All the structures तुम जो भी भाषा में समझो, you have to learn by heart, or like here it is XeF2, this is linear, XeF2 linear, here it is XeF4, you can see the structure of XeF4, it is square planar, square प्लेनर। जितने नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं वो आपको शो करने हैं, ठीक है। देन हियर इट इज XeF6 डिस्टॉर्टेड ऑक्टाहेड्रल, डिस्टॉर्टेड ऑक्टाहेड्रल, ओके। देन इट इज XeOF4, XeOF4 क्या है, square pyramidal, you can see square pyramidal, square pyramidal, and last one is XeO3, as I discussed, it is pyramidal. So in this way we have to draw the structure neatly and practice. Fine. So the lesson is over. Now tomorrow we will start lesson number 5, that is surface chemistry.